Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to delete a YouTube video with just your mobile phone. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you download and install YouTube Studio app on your Android phone if you are using Android phone. But if you are using iPhone, head over to your app store, search for YouTube Studio app, and make sure you have this app download and install on your phone. So after a successful download and install it on your Android phone or iPhone, the next thing you need to do is to simply log in with your Gmail account and your password. So after a successful login, then it takes you to your YouTube Studio. Now from here, I want to show you how to simply delete a video from your YouTube app. So what you need to do is to navigate to content from the bottom right here. Then after click on content, you have to select the video that you would like to delete from your content list. Okay, so I'm going to delete this particular video right here. So I'm going to simply click on the video. Then after click on the video, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this pencil icon. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to click on here, more options. Just like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete from YouTube. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete. The video has been successfully deleted from your YouTube account. So basically, this is how to delete a YouTube video on mobile, on your phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.